Do y'all remember Dr. Robert Ratner from the What the Health documentary?
Yeah.
Yes, Dr. Robert Ratner from the American Diabetes Association. Well, it turns out this man, Ratner, has gone full circle, full keto, in fact, and joined Virta Health as their chief medical officer. Now, do I need to refresh you guys about the position that this man took when confronted about the role of diet and type 2 diabetes?
Any diet works. Any diet works if people follow it.
But if it's a diet that's not the proper diet, like if anyone follows a diet that they eat
I can't tell you what a proper diet is. If that's what you want to get into, I'm not the person you need to be talking to.
Who do we talk to about diet?
You can talk to anybody you want.
And I was able to find this clip from 2017 on the Virta Health YouTube channel.
This is a constant disease. It never goes away. If we can make it easier for people with diabetes to live with their disease in a healthy manner, so that they don't have to be thinking about it 24/7. This is a constant disease.
So, you got diabetes.
It never goes away.
Diabetes, 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 diabetes.
If we can make it easier for people with diabetes to live with their disease
Diabetes, 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 diabetes.
in a healthy manner,
Diabetes, 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 diabetes.
so that they don't have to be thinking about it 24/7.
Thank you, Wilford. Diabetes, diabetes, diabetes.
But when I hear the word reversal, I'm confused.
Okay.
Because I'm only reversed until I eat a piece of toast.
Diabetes, 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 diabetes.
Well, so what you would be confused about then is the word cure, and that's why we avoid it. Because we're not curing anyone from type 2 diabetes because of exactly what you just said.
Knowing what we know now, this makes complete sense with regards to his combative stance on the idea of using a whole food plant-based diet to reverse type 2 diabetes when he was confronted in the 2017 documentary What the Health. Now, we can see from this press release that Dr. Robert Ratner has been an advisor to Virta Health, the low-carb keto diabetes quote-unquote reversal program, since 2017. My guess is that he had already basically decided his allegiances by the time that segment that made it into the documentary had been filmed. My guess is he already knew he was riding with Steve Phinney and Virta Health, but he didn't know how successful or how scalable the business model was going to be. Well, Virta Health just raised $93 million in a Class C, I think that's third round of funding, to bring their product and services to market. So this guy's just coming on board now, and I think it's key that we recognize this is part of the changing trends in the industry. Former American Diabetes Association bigwig, he's not about that plant-based life. He never was. And you could see it in the interview in What the Health, and you can see it now that he's signed on with Virta Health, replacing Dr. Stephen Phinney of former Atkins Foundation fame as the current Chief Medical Officer at Virta Health. Now, I'm not exactly sure what Steve Phinney's leadership role at Monsanto was, but I'm pretty sure we can dismiss the whole vegan diet is the NWO diet, all those claims pretty much out the window when you're signing on with the leadership from Monsanto to bring the keto diet nationwide. And I just wish these guys would be a little more honest about their allegiances. You know, you're not about that plant-based life, dude. You never were. Just let people know, hey, we're trying to get you on that hot dog and bacon and lard diet because that's where the money is and that's where we are. At least that's just my opinion, just my comments and criticisms. And guys, if you haven't seen it already, I've done a very thorough review of Virta Health and what they are doing and how they are pulling it off in a way that the public can find palatable. So I would encourage you guys to check out The video clip that you saw of Dr. Hallberg admitting that they're not reversing diabetes, they're not curing diabetes, all of that is found in the videos that you can click on by clicking on the thumbnail that pops up right now. All right, y'all know what time it is. Red Pill Vegan. Next.